Imagine finding yourself locked out of your home on a chilly evening in Noel Park, Wood Green. Stressful, right? That's exactly what happened to one of our clients recently. At My Key Locksmiths London N7, we received an urgent call and sprang into action. Our professional locksmith arrived promptly, easing the client's worries. Within minutes, we unlocked their door without a scratch. But we didn't stop there. Impressed by our swift service, the client asked about enhancing their home security. We provided expert advice and installed high-security locks on the spot, giving them peace of mind. So, if you're searching for a reliable locksmith near me in the Wood Green area, look no further. We're available 24/7 for all your locksmith needs. Need assistance? Call My Key Locksmiths London N7 today.